Hello children, welcome back to my channel Vertex Upbeat Academy, and today we'll discuss the question and answers of lesson 1 EVS class 4 Going to School. In my previous session I've already discussed the chapter in detail. You can find the link here. So let's start. The first activity given here is collect some bricks, lay them on the ground in a line as shown in the picture. Try walking on them. Was it easy? You have to collect some bricks and you have to put them in a line. And you have to try walking on it. Was it easy? You will write the answer. Yes, it was easy. Second activity is make a small bridge by tying 4 or 5 bamboo poles together. Ask your teacher to help you. Now walk on your bridge. How did you feel? Did you fall down? If you walk like this a few times, you will start finding it easy. इस एक्टिविटी में आपको एक छोटा सा ब्रिज बनाना है बैम्बू पोल्स को एक साथ जोड़ करके। 4-5 बैम्बू पोल्स लेके आपको एक साथ जोड़ के उसकी एक छोटी सी ब्रिज बनानी है और अपनी टीचर की हेल्प से, और फिर उसके ऊपर चल के देखना है। द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डिड यू फील? यू विल राइट आई फेल्ट वेरी थ्रिलिंग. Did you fall down? क्या आप गिर गए? You will write no, I did not fall down. If you walk like this a few times, you will start finding it easy. जब आप धीरे धीरे इस पे लगातार चलेंगे तो आपको इस पे चलना बहुत आसान लगने लगेगा. The next is the trolley. One more activity is given. Observe pictures 1 and 2. In the pictures, children are pulling the buckets from the well. Can you tell the difference in both the pictures? Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using it to lift things? So you'll answer, yes, I can tell the difference. In the first picture, the boy is not using the pulley to fetch the water. In the second one, the boy is using the pulley to fetch the water from the well. Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using it to lift things? You'll write, using pulley will be easier to lift the things. Second is look around you. Where all do you see the use of pulleys? List them. You'll write, I have seen the using of pulleys as construction sites, to hoist flags, to fetch water from wells, and usually for lifting heavy objects easily. The second topic is cement bridge. Question is, how is the bridge different from a bamboo bridge? You'll write, bamboo bridge is made of sticks, bamboo and rope. Bridge is made of cement and bricks and iron rods. Cement bridge is strong, broad, wide and durable. Second question, how many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? You'll write, many number of people can cross the bridge at one time, unlike bamboo bridge. But usually it depends on the length and breadth of the bridge. Next is, you have seen how many children use different kind of bridges to cross rivers and other uneven areas to reach school. If you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use and why? The answer will be, you'll write, I will use cement bridge as it is safer, easier to walk on and cross. Next question. Do you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school? If yes, what is the bridge like? Draw its pictures. You'll write, yes, I have to cross 2 cement bridges on the way to my school. And if you don't cross any bridge, you can write the answer straight away as no, I don't cross any bridge on the way to my school. Next question is, find out from your grandparents what kind of bridges were there when they were young. You'll write, there were bridges made of wood and bamboo. Next is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. You'll write, yes, I have 2 bridges near my house. Where is the bridge? Over water, over a road, between 2 mountains or somewhere else? You'll write, near my house there are 2 bridges over a water or river. Next question is, Who all use the bridge? Is it used by people on foot and also by vehicles and animals? You'll write, as it is a cement bridge near my house, almost everyone can use it. That is, by people on foot and also by vehicles and animals. Next question is, does the bridge seem to be old or is it new? You'll write, the bridge near my house seems to be quite old. Find out what materials are used in making this bridge. List some of them. You'll write, the materials used in making the bridge are cement, bricks, sand, bitumen and iron rod. Next question, imagine what difficulties there would be if the bridge was not there. You'll write, if there were no bridges over the river, people would have to cross it by boat and it would have consumed more time. Next topic is Vallam. First question, have you seen any other kind of boats? You will write, yes, I have seen many other kinds of boats like motorboat, houseboat, paddle boat, rowboat, etc. Next, can you think of other ways by which we can travel on water? You'll write, yes, we can travel on water by using ship, steamer, raft, water scooter, etc. Third question is, have you ever sat in a camel cart or horse carriage? That is Tonga. And where? Did you climb on it yourself or did someone help you? You'll write, yes, I have taken a ride on camel cart and horse carriage both in my grandparents' village. Did you climb on it yourself or did someone help you? You'll write, no, I could not climb it myself, but my grandfather helped me to climb on it. Next is, how did you feel riding in the car? Also share your experience in the class also. You'll write, yes, I really enjoyed riding in the cart. Next topic is bullock cart. First question is, do you have bullock carts where you live? You will write, yes, there are few bullock carts where I live. Does it have a roof? You'll write, no, not in my area, but I have seen bullock carts with roofs in other areas. Third question is, what kind of wheels do they have? You will write, wheels made of wood with iron rims. Third is bicycle ride. First question, can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? You will write, if you can ride the bicycle, you will write yes. And my brother or sister or father or anyone who taught you to ride, you can write. Or if you don't know how to ride, you can write no, I don't know how to ride a bicycle. Next question is, how many children come on bicycles to your school? You'll write, around 150 children come on bicycle to my school. Next topic is Jugaad. Do you have such vehicles in your area? Yes. You'll write yes. What do you call them in your area? You'll say, we call them as diesel pump, set cart, etc. Would you like to ride in something like this and why? You'll write yes, because it will be a fun ride. Can you tell why it is called Jugaad? You'll write, we call it Jugaad because this vehicle is made from the parts of different vehicles. One, front part of motorcycle and the other cart from bullock cart. Third topic is children cross the jungle. First question, have you ever been in a thick jungle or any such place? You'll write, yes, I have been in a thick jungle once when I visited to a national park. Write your experiences in your notebook. You'll write, the jungle had huge number of small and large trees with different varieties. Also, I spotted many animals and birds there. The sound it produced was very pleasant. Third question, can you recognize some birds by their sounds? Can you imitate the sounds of some birds? Do it. The answer will be, yes, I can recognize some birds like cuckoo, parrot, sparrow, peacock. I can imitate the sound of cuckoo and parrot. Third topic is moving on the snow. Have you ever seen so much snow? And where? In films or somewhere else? You'll write, yes, I have seen so much snow in my tour to Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir. Next is, do you think that such places have snow all the time? And why? You'll write, no. It's during the winters that these places are covered with snow due to low temperature. In summers, the snow melts as temperature gets higher. Third topic is rocky paths. Do you face difficulties on the way to your school? You'll write no. Second is, which is the best month in which you like to go to school and why? You'll write, I think October is the best month for me to go to school because it is neither too cold nor too hot. So I hope question answer session is clear to all of you. I have covered the chapter in part 1 and question answer session in part 2. So if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.